in activity theory, particularly, they refer to the unit of analysis as a cell. So there's two sides to this idea of a unit of analysis. One is that the whole process is just loads and loads and loads of that unit. So for instance, water is just lots and lots of water molecules, and it can be steam, it can be ice, it can be water, it can be clouds, it can be glaciers, but they're all water molecules. So all the different forms of water are unified by just different combinations of one little unit put together in different ways. Right? The other side of the unit of analysis, which is when the same thing is called a germ, is how something very simple itself becomes more developed. So, for instance, if a nation is founded with a simple principle, and we believe these things are eternal principles, and they write down 10 sort of sentences, then those 10 sentences expand and become more concrete. They write whole books under each line, and you end up with an entire legal system, right? The classic example is by Marx. He said, basically, it's exchanging products, and all the business about credit and money arises by complicating and developing that original idea of exchanging things. So when Vygotsky says in understanding the intellect, the unit is a meaningful word, then you don't just sort of stop there. That's the unit, if you like, which develops. And he studies its development through the process of internalizing. It's also a germ cell and a unit. Now, those are key ideas invented in classical German philosophy, inherited by Marxism, and given such a definite, useful, special form by Vygotsky that no other strain of Marxism has been able to do, right, in this idea of a unit of analysis.